Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Toyota 86 vs Subaru WRX STI, which is better. Tap the timeline below to jump to handling, power, and daily usability sections, and use timestamps to skip ahead. I will highlight real driving impressions, maintenance costs, and practicality so you can pick the right sports car for your needs. Stay tuned for a clear, friendly breakdown with punchy comparisons and driving context today. Both cars feel purposeful on twisty roads, but they approach grip and feedback differently, so expect distinct steering personalities and limits. The Toyota delivers nimble, communicative inputs and rewards precise driver technique, while the Subaru builds confidence with predictable traction and planted mid-corner manners. We'll compare turn-in, body control, and the ease of driving fast on real roads, then summarize which setup suits commuting, canyon runs, or track days. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making clear car comparisons and real driving content. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, voice control, and it even lets you schedule pickups between test drives for tidy interiors. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Power delivery is a key deciding factor and affects daily usability and thrill. The Toyota's naturally aspirated layout rewards high revs and linear throttle control, making shifts feel connected. The Subaru's turbocharged package produces more mid-range torque and stronger acceleration, which matters in the real world and in traffic. We'll cover service intervals, common repair areas, and how each car's drivetrain impacts fuel use, insurance, and long-term cost.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.